Why is this in the trash?
No, Mom, wait, that's my homework!
Stay with me and see what actually happened. Hey Tom, it's time to wake up now.
Okay. Mom, please, 5 more minutes.
No more minutes. Get up now.
Mom, I have jet lag. My body thinks it's 3 a.m.
We just came back from vacation. Okay, come downstairs now and have your breakfast.
Okay, Mom.
After breakfast, we have to clean the house. We just got home yesterday. The house is in a mess. Tina, you need to vacuum the living room. I need help.
Mom, you want me to do the whole living room?
Tom, you need to go and do your homework.
Okay, Mother. I have an important project to do.
Okay.
I have the whole day. I will do my homework later. Hee, that's so funny. Oh, what's next?
Hey, Tom, are you really doing your homework?
Yes, I am. Go away.
I don't think so. I am going to tell Mom that you are not doing homework. Get down here right now!
No, please.
Okay, sorry. I am going back to my room to do my homework.
Tom, I bought you some snacks. Are you doing your homework?
Thanks, Mom.
Good, you are working hard. Oh, what's this? Honey, is this yours? Tom, what is this? I got this in the trash while cleaning.
Oh, no, Mom. Mom, wait, that's my homework! Mom, that was my homework.
What? This is your homework?
I have to submit it in school tomorrow. Now what will I do?
Don't worry, sweetie. We'll figure it out together. I will tell Dad to help you with your homework. Is that okay?
Yeah, that sounds great.
John, can you help Tom with his homework? He had to write about the trip. And his homework was found in the trash can.
No problem, Tom. Come tell me what you want me to do.
Dad, I had to make a presentation about our trip. Do you have the pictures on the computer?
This is going to take a long time, Dad.
Yes, Daddy, that one. Can you print the one at the beach?
Sure thing, buddy. Let's see.
Yay, the beach one!
Printing it now.
Dad, I also want the picture of me playing at the park. It was such a fun day and I really liked that photo.
Sure, buddy. Let's find it.
Dad, print it!
Okay, here we go.
It's blank.
What? No ink.
Dad, the printer's out of ink.
I think we need to go to the store to buy a printer cartridge.
Dad, look, so many cartridges. Which one do we take?
Let's see. How about this one?
Yeah, that one looks perfect.
So finally, we can finish your homework now.
John, you print the pictures, and I will help Tom to glue them on the board.
Mom, I will help Tom to write about the vacation.
Mom, I don't know what to write. Can you please help me?
Tom, you need to write about the vacation. Write what you did there.
Okay, Mother. I shall try to write. Just correct it if I write something wrong.
Okay.
And finally, everyone in the family came together to help Tom successfully complete his project.
We finally wrapped up Tom's project. What a relief. Let's call it a night and get some rest.
Good night, everyone. Thank you all so much for your help with my project. I truly appreciate it.
Okay, it's morning now. I need to wake up Tom. He has to get ready for school.
I have completed the project. Dad, I will tell you what the teacher says.
All right, champ, school's just ahead.
Yay, I see the gate!
Almost there, buddy.
I can't wait to show my project.
Have a great day! Tom, I really enjoyed your project on vacation. It was thoughtful, creative, and beautifully presented. You did an excellent job explaining your ideas clearly and making it interesting for everyone to learn from.
Thank you, sir.
Dad, my teacher really liked my project. He said that I put in a lot of effort and did an excellent job presenting it to the class.
That's great.
Thanks, Mom, for helping me with the project. My teacher said it was creative and very well done.
After school, Tom goes to his room and lies down on his bed. He feels a little tired but happy. He rests quietly, thinking about his day at school and smiling to himself.